Encountering the payment card not working, zip address match, and retry error on Total Wireless? This happens because of Address Verification System, AVS, a security measure comparing your billing zip code and address to your card issuer's records. A mismatch leads to transaction failure. Here's the fix. First, meticulously verify that the billing address and zip code entered exactly match what's on your card statement, including no abbreviations. Next, log into your Total Wireless account via the app or website and update the payment method details to ensure accuracy. With the Total Wireless app update released in September 2025, you will receive instant notifications for immediate corrections. If basic fixes don't resolve the zip address match issue, try alternative zip codes such as including the +4 extension or partial address matches. Contact Total Wireless support at 1-800-968-9800 for manual payment processing or escalation to your bank. Consider alternative payment methods like debit cards, digital wallets such as Apple Pay or Google Pay, or in-store payments to bypass AVS checks. Enable account alerts in the Total Wireless app to receive notifications about payment failures immediately. Looking to the future, contactless and tokenized payments are trending, minimizing AVS dependencies through encrypted card data. AI-assisted verification, as implemented by Verizon, uses machine learning to predict and resolve address mismatches automatically. Total Wireless is piloting blockchain technology for secure address verification, potentially eliminating zip match issues entirely. Always keep your billing information current to prevent these errors and ensure smooth payments.